Welcome back. In this video, we're going to write a simple C# program that prints the sum of two numbers. Addition is one of the most basic math operations, but in programming, it also teaches us how to perform calculations and display results on the console. By the end of this lesson, we'll know how to use WriteLine to both calculate and print results directly. Here's our task. We take two numbers, add them together, and show the results in the console. This introduces the concept of arithmetic operations in C#. Just like in math, we use the plus symbol for addition. The cool part, C# handles the calculation for us and prints the final answer. This program is short and simple. You start with a class called exercise 2. Inside the main method, we use system Console.ReadLine, but instead of just printing it, we tell it to compute 15 plus 17. C# first calculates the sum, which is 32, then prints the results directly on the screen. Step by step, when the program runs, it first finds the main method. The console is empty at this point. Next, C# evaluates the math expression 15 plus 17, which is 32. That value is sent to into WriteLine, and the console displays the number 32 as output. Let's test it with this example. The input expression is 15 plus 17. C# does the math for us and produces the result 32. This shows us how programming languages can handle basic arithmetic like a calculator. You might wonder, what's the point of adding 15 plus 17? In real-world applications, arithmetic is everywhere, from calculating totals in shopping carts to billing systems, to complex data analysis in finance or statistics. Learning this now gives you the foundation to build apps that can calculate and process real-world data. To wrap things up, this exercise shows us how to use the plus operator in C# to add two numbers and print the result. We also saw how the program calculates the expression first, then outputs the value. This may seem simple, but arithmetic is one of the building blocks for almost everything in programming. You've just taken another solid step forward in your C# journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you the next time.